In this video, we are going to see Faraday's experiments on electromagnetic induction, part 1, that is, first experiment. Let us consider the solenoid. What is solenoid? Solenoid is nothing but n number of turns of an insulated copper wire of a coil. This solenoid is connected to the galvanometer. This galvanometer is used to measure the current and its intensity. More deflection of the galvanometer shows high current in the circuit. If less deflection shows less current flowing into the circuit. Galvanometer is also used to find out the direction of the current. Now, a bar magnet is inserted into the stationary coil with its north pole facing the coil. During this process, we can see a momentary deflection in the galvanometer. That means its needle moves towards the right side. This indicates that an electric current is set up in the coil. If the magnet is kept rest inside the coil, the galvanometer does not indicate any deflection. That is, no current flows into the coil. Now the bar magnet is withdrawn from the coil. The galvanometer again gives a momentary deflection but in the opposite direction. So the electric current flows in opposite direction. Now if the magnet is moved faster, it gives larger deflection due to greater current in the circuit. In the similar way, if the magnet is withdrawn faster, it gives larger deflection in opposite direction due to greater current in the circuit. Next, the bar magnet is reversed, that is, south pole of the bar magnet facing the coil. The bar magnet is inserted into the coil. Then we can see a momentary deflection on left side in the galvanometer. When the bar magnet is rest in the coil, the galvanometer shows zero deflection. Again, the bar magnet is withdrawn from the coil. The galvanometer gives a momentary deflection but in opposite direction. So the electric current flows in opposite direction. Again, the same process is repeated in faster movement. So the galvanometer shows larger deflection. In the similar way, when the bar magnet is moved away from the coil, the galvanometer shows a larger deflection but in opposite direction. So from this experiment, we understood how induced current is produced.